recording. So first one is, what is network? Group of two or more devices that connect together to share information. Just a minute. To share information. Okay. Next thing is types of network. First one is on the basis of host roles. In host types, peer-to-peer, and second one is client server. So what is peer-to-peer and what is client server? If we have four devices, sorry because my drawing is not so good. Okay, when all the devices connected together directly, this is known as peer-to-peer. And when we have one centralized device and all other devices connected to this server, or we say that switch also. So this is our client server type. Okay. Next type of the network is on the basis of geography. In this we have two types, LAN, local area network, and second one is WAN, wide area network. Third type of network is on the basis of participants. In this we have three types, private network, only authorized person can access the network. Second network is public network. Authorized as well as unauthorized can access the network. And third one is VPN, virtual private network. This is used to make tunnel between two private networks over public network. Okay. Any confusion or doubt in these things?
Sir, can you explain in clearly about a private and public network? If you go little,
Uh,
yeah. No.
Private network means only authorized person can access the network. Just example as a office network,
Okay.
or we say that our home network, Wi-Fi. First one is full duplex. Okay, two-way communication and data travel both sides at a time. Example, anyone?
Whatever we are using phone lines, everything.
Alright. Okay. And now types of communication. Types of communication. This is also three type. Unicast means one-to-one communication. Multicast, one-to-many communication. And third one is broadcast, one-to-all communication. Unicast, say in this topology, one-to-one
So,
communication.
okay,
Okay.
then what's the difference between multicast and broadcast?
Multicast, it sends to one-to-many, two, three, or four. But broadcast means it sends to all.
Both are same, right? So,
Not
one to
same.
many or one to all, it's like both are same, right?
Now we learn about the network topology. Network topology. We have many types of network topology, but we learn about the bus topology, ring, and then we learn about star topology, and last one is mesh. In bus topology, we have one cable, okay, and all the devices connected like this. This is our bus topology. Here one device is here. Okay, in ring topology, first we learn about the star topology. In star topology, one centralized device, just like a client and server, and all the devices connected to this server point. This is our star topology. Okay. Next one is ring topology. It form a ring in circle. This is our network topology. It form a ring. Okay. Last one is mesh topology. Same as the peer-to-peer, all the devices is connected together directly. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
This one is our star topology. This one is mesh. This one, oh, sorry. This one is star, and this one is ring topology. This one is bus topology. So we have four types of network topology. Okay,
Sir, I guess I missed that MAC address.
OSI model means open system interconnection model. Developed by ISO, International Standard Organization.
Sir, we don't have any course materials for this course.
I can send this PPT. It used in easy troubleshooting in network. Okay. In OSI model, we have 7 layer. 7 layer. OSI define how communication take place from source to destination. And important point is this is reference model. Reference model means it's used to only for the learning purpose. This is not real-time implemented model. Okay. Seven layer is we always started from the layer 7. So seventh layer is application layer. Then presentation. Then session layer. Fourth one is transportation. Third network layer. Layer 2 is data link layer. And one is physical layer. Okay. So start from the layer 7. Application layer. layer define the services that user has requested for and the protocol that used to fulfill those services. Example, if we want to use the web browser, here I write the services, here protocol. Want to use web browsing, we have protocol HTTP and HTTPS. Want to take remote access of router and switches, we use telnet and SSH. Want to file transfer in network, we use FTP. For mail, we use SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. This layer define the format of data and also provide encryption and decryption. Okay, this layer used to define the format of any data, just like data and the format. If we have audio, any format, anyone? Example of audio file,
MPs, MP4, MP3, MP5.
video, MP4,
Yeah,
AVI also. I think. For images, J,
JPEG.
this is right.
Yes.
I don't know, but this is example. Okay, and for the file, we have doc file and PDF. Many example for all these things. So this all defined from the presentation layer.
Sir, can you explain a little bit in detail this presentation layer? Because how it defines the
Fifth layer is session layer. This is used to create, maintain, and terminate the session between client and server. This is used to create, maintain, and terminate the session between client and server. Next layer is transport layer. Transport layer used to data transport from upper layer to lower layer. Okay, and this is useful to the end-to-end data delivery. And the main function of the transport layer is port identification, segmentation, sequencing, connection oriented, connectionless. Okay. So for data transportation, it used two protocols, TCP and UDP. TCP is a connection oriented and UDP is a connectionless. TCP transmission control protocol provide reliable and error-free data delivery. Reliable means when we send any data, we will get the acknowledgement of this data. Like when we send the mail, we get receipt also. And this is connection oriented. Connection oriented means firstly it make a connection between client and server, then it sends any data. For making connection between client and server, it's used three-way handshake process. How it does? This is one client and this is one server. Client and server. Okay. So firstly, client send the sync packet to initiate the connection. Sync packet. In sync packet, we have sequence number, and this sequence number always be between in 0 to 65535. Anything random. Suppose it sends 0. Okay. When server get this sync packet, it reply with the acknowledgement because TCP is a reliable protocol. So it sends acknowledgement. Then acknowledgement number is the sequence number of client incremented by 1. If sequence number of client is 0, then it's 0 plus 1. And in this packet, server also sends own sync packet. And this is also sends a sequence number. Again, it is random between 0 to 65535. Anything. So we suppose that it sends 500. When client gets sync packet of the server, it replies with the acknowledgement. Acknowledgement packet. And we get acknowledgement number. And this is this is the sequence number of server incremented by 1. So sequence number of server is 500. So acknowledgement is 501. Okay. Let's see the practical of the TCP.